Right, back again. So latest is VE needs a new oil pump. It's got low oil pressure. Suspecting that it's a stuck relief valve. It's just low oil pressure, not non-existent, so I just preferring not to drive it. So thought I'll try and get this old beast going. The old supercharged 6 ute. This one's probably been sitting for over a year, getting started occasionally, just to make sure that everything's still ticking over. It was parked about a year ago because something let go on the gearbox. Still drives, but it's making some noises, so I don't know, I'm sort of suspecting it might be like pressure plate bolts or flywheel bolts. It's rattling, but as soon as you push in the clutch, we're fine. So I'm going to pull the gearbox off of it and see what's going down under there. Still drives, so hopefully it's just something just needs replacing. Got me some replacement flywheel bolts in case it's something falling out there. Bit of a background story on it. Used to be owned by a mate. It's a November 99 Series 3 VS ute. Originally aspirated 6-cylinder and the get drag manual. Get drag jammed up on my mate, so he had a T5 fitted behind it. And then back when he was into cars a bit more, he found himself a supercharged 6 engine, and I put that in there for him. Fortunately, his circumstances changed and it sat for a couple of years again because it needed odds and ends done to it, paint going a bit off and all. So yeah, he parked it for a bit, and when he moved out of home, he just wanted to get rid of it, so I picked it up with the intention of putting intercooler, more boost, and doing proper exhaust on it. And then it sat here for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, getting driven occasionally, until I had the gearbox bolts or something go, and I just parked it just in case, and I haven't had a shot at it since. So bring it back to daily duties, show you guys a bit more about it, tell you a bit more about it and show you a bit more. I want to have a bit more time, but trying to get a job done, so for now, yeah, that's the Super 6 ute. Nothing special, but it goes pretty good. Hopefully it's driving again later on today.